Hi, this is Swaminathan, Managing Director of Woodpecker Furniture. This is built for everyday living from the world of woodpecker. Well, it's often said that necessity is the mother of invention, and so was the birthing of woodpecker. We used to live in Indonesia, and Indonesia was very well known for good furnitures, tasteful, good quality furnitures. So when my family decided to shift back to India, especially to Chennai, one of the biggest challenge was to get good quality furniture and reliable furniture. So my wife Viji, she came here and she went down to the usual Royapeta furniture market searching for furniture. And she didn't find anything really good or tasteful. But we had no choice, so we had to buy it. But what mattered most was the experience that she got. When they bought it, the delivery was not on the committed day. The delivery man, after delivering, he started asking for charges which were not communicated earlier. There was no bill or something for the furniture. And when she spoke to me, she complained about it. And that's why we felt, there's an opportunity now to give good quality furniture with transparency, with a better experience. So this is how Woodpecker was started 25 years ago. When we started, it was not Woodpecker. Since we were based out of Indonesia, we first brought in Indonesian furniture, specifically a brand called as Olympic. And since it was being sold by many other people, we had to search for a brand for ourselves, identity for ourselves. So we toyed with various names like Woodlands and Woodpecker was one of them, and Timberland and so on and so forth. But what got approved by the trademark was Woodpecker. So we stick to Woodpecker, and that's how it grew. And today, Woodpecker is like another baby of this family. We have been growing together with it. So something more that we realized in the process is that furniture is not an individual choice. Furniture is something which the entire family uses it. So whether it is a use of a furniture or making a decision of which furniture to select, it cannot be a solitary decision. It has to be a family decision. At least all the stakeholders who are involved in using the furniture have to come together. It's simple. You buy a sofa, you're not the only person going to use the sofa. There are going to be different members of the family going to use the sofa. You buy a bed, you may like a soft bed and your partner may like a hard You cannot have two different types. So it has to be something which both of you agree upon. That's number one. Number two, furniture is an identity of your lifestyle. A person walks into your house, he judges you by the kind of furniture you're using. So very important that it's tastefully done. Apart from being tasteful, it has to be comfortable, nice feeling, because you are going to spend a lot of your time on that furniture. So keeping all those things in mind, we started this business as a family business because we were primarily focusing on home furniture, what is used in the house. Everybody has to like it. Your elderly parents, the needs of your elderly parents are different from what we have. They may need a harder surface because they find it difficult to get up on a softer surface with their soft knees. As we, as youngsters those days, used to feel like a softer is better because you wanted to have a sink-in feeling. And when you have kids at home, your furniture has to be durable, long-lasting, because they're going to jump on it, their friends are going to jump on it. The last thing, which is also important, it has to be very, very friendly. The reason I'm saying friendly, because your kids may be good, but they're going to come with their friends. If your furniture is fragile, or is having sharp edge, or is glass, if something happens, there's going to be injury. So we have to be careful of all these things. And today, wow, things have changed. We are looking at not only giving children-friendly furniture, but also more of pet-friendly furniture. So things have been evolving and changing. And that's what is making this business very, very interesting. Woodpecker started, as I told you in the beginning, because we wanted to be transparent, ethical experience, a feel-good factor. The feeling of buying a furniture is a nice feeling you should get. That's what we started Woodpecker for. That has not changed till today. And what is making us happy is that we have been able to pass this culture down to the next generation of people who are working with us, the team members. They also follow the same thing. So keeping a customer experience top class continues to be ethical, transparent, and happy. That's what it is. When you buy a furniture woodpecker, we want them to feel peaceful. They want to remember us for all the good things for years to come. And we want them to come back. Not only they, but their children, their friends, their family, everybody has to come and buy from us. That's the idea. And that's the reason we focus only on the experience. We focus mainly on the experience.